Here's how to keep your operating system up to date. That's an essential part of your computer security. Access the updates by using the Windows I key and clicking on Update and Security. Once you get into this update window, then check for updates. Sometimes there's large updates when the operating system has a monthly change, or there is even a twice-a-year update for Windows that can take as much as an hour to install. But usually it's something like what happened here, just an update for your definitions for malware and viruses. And so it's important to make sure that those are installed regularly. So that's how to check and update your operating system. Checking your system for Windows security, operating system security, is a similar operation. Start with the Windows I key again, go to Update and Security, and then click on Windows Security in the left-hand menu. Then open the Windows Security. This will give you a summary of all of the operating system level security features that Windows 10 has, whether it's virus protection or your firewall or browser or other items. If you see a little yellow shield here, click on that and take the actions to clear out any kind of alert that the operating system has given you. So that's how to do your Windows security on your operating system. If you're the type of person who likes the belt and suspenders approach to Windows security, your operating system, something that's above and beyond that is provided natively in the Windows 10 operating system, I suggest using Malwarebytes and only Malwarebytes. The advantage of Malwarebytes is that it's free and that it will run a scan only when you initiate a scan. In other words, it's not launching when you start Windows and taking up part of your memory as a normal operating program. It's only initiated when you want to do a separate scan. So to get Malwarebytes, just open your browser and go to malwarebytes.com, malwarebytes.com, and once you get there, then download the free version for personal use because it's free. The business ones have a cost associated with it. So you'll download the application and put it in a place where you can remember where it is, like on your desktop, and then open up the file that you've downloaded and install Malwarebytes. Now, I'm not going to install it because I already have it installed. So to initiate a scan, you just open up the application itself and run a scan. And this scan can take anywhere from a few minutes to up to 10 or 15 minutes. But this is a way to initiate your own scan for malware and problems on your computer that's completely separate, but from the Windows software, but it will not take up a lot of space in your normal operations because you initiate it yourself only when you decide to do it. I usually run Malwarebytes maybe twice a year, or every 3 or 4 months, just as a backup to Windows. So that's Malwarebytes.